Hello, everybody. My name is Shravika Jain, and today we'll talk about how you can create discount on your services and you can give it to your audience to avail it on a discounted price. So, basically, discount is a great tool for you to increase your bookings, to increase your earnings, and also build long-term relationship with your audience. So now you can also do it on Topmate and can increase your bookings. So let's start. First, we'll go to the services section here. And here you will find all your services at one place. Click on the service that you want to give discount on. So, for example, I clicked on the first service here. And once I go to the advanced section, I will find the discount code option here. But I'm not able to add discount code here. This is because this service of mine is hidden on my profile, and that is why I'm not able to add it. So basically, if you have a service that's hidden on your profile, you won't be able to add discount code to that. And in the second case, if you have a service on which you have no payment to be done, so for example it's a zero amount service, then for that obviously you won't be able to give discount. So we'll select a service that is public on my profile and also has amount to be paid. So this is the service that I click. I go to the advanced section and I'll find the discount code option here. And here I can add a discount code. So here you have to add a name. So for example, I add Shravika at the rate Shravika underscore Topmate. And here you have to enter the amount of percentage of discount that you want to give. So for example, I want to give 20% discount on this particular service. So in the quantity section, you have to enter the number of discounts that you want to give to your audience. So for example, you want to give it to first 10 people who avail it. So you can put 10 here and click on create discount code. So discount code has been added. Now you can also add the same discount to other services of yours as well, but I don't want to add it. So I've only toggled on in this service, and I can do save changes here and it will be added. Make sure that you have this add discount code field to booking form as on, because if this is not switched on, then it will not show in your booking form. Okay. Now, if you want to give this discount code to any of your audience, then you can give this name and they can use this name, Shravika underscore Topmate, to avail your discount. So we can check that also here. I'll go to my public profile, and this was the service I gave discount on. So when I clicked on it, I will confirm the details and I'll find a discount code option here. When I enter Shravika underscore Topmate and push apply here, I got 20% discount on my service. And that's how you can create discount code on any of your services. Hope this helped. Thank you.